I'm doing the oil filter housing. So the only way to get to, well, that bolt right there is come from the top of the acura. And you can use a wrench to get to it. It's harder at the bottom. You get to that one at the bottom too, but like I said, it's hard. You're gonna need a swivel just to get to that one.
Make this wide. Okay. So you really don't have that much room. You probably have. So see, if you get like a swivel, you can probably get to this one, but it's hard to get to that one and this one at the top. Can't get to it. So I got one bolt out. And the one at the top is already out. I just can't pull all the way out because the I thought that was sway bar, but it's the CV axle housing, the extension. I'm not for sure what it's called, but it's already out. And that's it.
Okay, so this will part number we use ES72748. So you get these 3 gaskets. So I'm not for sure what the other one does. Okay, so almost done. Alright, so I'll use this razor. Just put right here and just start prying up on it. So I'm gonna see if I can do this one. See, just like that. You can get out easy. Just be careful, do not cut yourself. And lay right back down. This one and this one. See, this one is breaking. Check this out. Okay, I got the seals on. So the other seal that was they give you, I guess it's 2 different models that comes with the acura. I guess V6 and the 2.4. So yep. So put this on and be done. Okay, so I'm at the top of the engine. So this how it would look. Oh, also take off your brace. They are 12s, So got 3 on each side, 3 nuts.